Is the as seen on TV product Flawless Salon Nails by Finishing Touch legit or too good to be true? The Flawless Salon Nail Pack consists of a handheld battery-operated polisher and an attachment kit holding a grinder, a shape and filer, a cuticle trimmer, and a buffer. While the nail care kit is advertised on TV, the main sales location is flawlessnails.com. People are wondering if it is safe to buy from this site, as a few things are suspicious. First of all, flawlessnails.com was registered in 2008, but not by Finishing Touch and not for this product. The domain has had multiple owners since that time. In January 2019, flawlessnails.com was advertised for sale. The most recent update to domain ownership occurred on November 4th, 2020. While this product and website are extremely new, the Flawless brand name and Finishing Touch as a whole have a long-standing history as selling quality as seen on TV products. TV Stuff Reviews has an exhaustive report on this product along with 5,000 other as seen on TV items. But does Flawless Nail Salon really work? Yes. It works as described, but not exactly as shown as seen on TV. If this video helped you at all, please give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it.